Welcome to Item Inc. We're here to help with all your printer needs. If you have any questions or want to see specific topics covered, drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right in.
Today, we'll be covering how to replace the fuser unit in your HP Color LaserJet M652 printer. For detailed information on compatible models, error codes, and links to replacement parts, check the description below. Let's get started. First, power off the printer and unplug the power cord from the outlet. Then, open the right door assembly. Lower the secondary transfer assembly to gain access to the fuser for removal. Next, firmly grip the handles and pull the old fuser away from the printer to remove it. Hold the handles and position the fuser inside the printer. Then, push the fuser firmly toward the printer to secure it in place. Then, close the secondary transfer assembly to secure it back in place. Firmly close the right door assembly to ensure it is properly secured. Plug the power cable securely into the printer and a power outlet. Then, switch on the printer using the power button on the device. And your next print should come out jam-free with the toner properly fused to the page.
Well, that wraps up our step-by-step guide. Click the like button if this video helped you out. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want to be kept updated about new videos. And thanks for watching. And keep an eye out for that next video from Item Inc.